Have you ever wondered how mobile developers manage to create applications that efficiently run on multiple platforms? Welcome back to Educational Hack. Today we're unraveling this mystery by comparing two giants of cross-platform mobile development, Flutter and React Native. It's time to delve into their performance, user interface capabilities, learning curves, community support, and more in this comprehensive comparison. Cross-platform mobile development, for those not in the know, is the superpower of creating native mobile apps for several platforms from one code base. It's like the Swiss Army knife of mobile development, saving developers from the need to write separate code for each platform. In one corner, we have Flutter, a Google masterpiece. This champ uses Dart as its programming language and is known for its blazing fast performance and the ability to create user interfaces that are a feast for the eyes. In the opposite corner, we find React Native, a creation of the brilliant minds at Facebook. React Native uses JavaScript as its programming language and is known for its flexibility and developer-friendly nature. Now, for the face-off between Flutter and React Native. When it comes to performance, Flutter races ahead thanks to its native rendering engine, leaving React Native slightly behind with its JavaScript bridge. In terms of user interfaces, both can create visually appealing interfaces. But Flutter takes the cake by offering developers more control over the aesthetics of their apps. The learning curve for Flutter is a bit steeper due to Dart being a newer language and having a different programming rhythm compared to the more familiar JavaScript of React Native. In terms of community support, it's a photo finish, but Flutter manages to edge ahead with a slightly larger and more active community, providing that extra level of support for developers. In the job market, React Native holds the upper hand due to its longer history and wider usage, but both are booming, so opportunities are plentiful. In terms of ecosystem, Flutter's might be smaller, but remember, quality over quantity. React Native might have more libraries, but Flutter's focused selection can be a strength. React Native leads in third-party support, offering a broader range of tools and services compared to Flutter. Choose wisely based on your specific needs. React Native is the seasoned warrior, having been battle-tested in the industry. It's stable, reliable, and has stood the test of time. So, the million-dollar question, Flutter or React Native? It's like choosing between two equally delectable desserts. It all comes down to your preference. If you're after high performance and total control over the user interface, Flutter is your match. If you're new to the cross-platform scene or are looking for a larger community and job market, React Native is your choice. Thanks for joining this exploration. I hope this comparison has enlightened you on which framework suits your needs. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more enlightening mobile development content. Until our next encounter, happy coding!